A nursing home is apologizing for turning their facility for disabled vets into Magic City. One of the attendees took video of the 15-minute performance, and it was shared all over social media. Some believe there wasn't a problem here, and others believe the nursing home was out of order. I'll tell you what I think in just a second, but first, take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Click that notification bell for all updates. If you're new to the channel, drop a new subscriber below in the comments, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. So this crazy viral situation happened over in Taiwan. Yahoo reported that a group of veterans in wheelchairs got more than mooncakes for the Mid-Autumn Festival after a nursing home in Taiwan enlisted the services of a dancer to celebrate the Chinese holiday. The state-run facility for military vets issued an apology for hiring the dancer to perform for the seniors. One of the men in the video can be seen grabbing the woman as she popped her thought pocket over his wheelchair. The woman spent 15 minutes dancing for the retired Army personnel who are at the facility dealing with dementia and other disabilities. In their apology, the facility said they will be more cautious when they hire performers for the vets in the future. And I don't know, at first I'm thinking these are all adults. Whatever, they do what they want. But then I'm finding out that some of the patients have a disease where their brain functions are impaired. You know, that's different. What if the nursing home hired she-men to perform for the elderly and people's parents are out there grabbing men's body parts? Then that video travels all across the world. I look at it from both sides. One, is not acceptable. This doesn't happen anywhere. But what if it became acceptable for female dancers to do this? Then what's next? Transgenderellas? Next thing you know, you're gonna have elderly people battling dementia with minimal brain function, getting Bop Tarts thrown in their faces. Like, I don't know. If I accepted this one, then I will have to accept the other. So in this case, I can't accept none of it. So I'm going with this out of order. Listen, there's other entertainment for the elderly other than women running around in Magic City uniforms. They should have gone to Magic City in their 20s and 30s, and now they're 70 and 80 years old and then disabled. This is just too much. And obviously it's socially unacceptable because the newspaper over there exposed this and now it's making international headlines. If it was culturally accepted, then no one would have exposed it. It would have just been a normal day at the dementia daycare. Could you imagine your mother being in the nursing home and they bring these Chippendales up in there? And then it's being recorded, them throwing themselves all in your mama's face while she's got dementia and she could barely speak, walk, or do anything. Nah, I get that they're adults, but they're disabled adults whose brains and bodies are not functioning like adults. They are people who can't do things physically like normal adults, and their brains have deteriorated to the stage of a child. I also understand that all of them don't have dementia, so some of them are adults with full brain function. But then again, what if this became a thing in the United States? If I accepted this, then I'm going to have to accept the real Magic City in Atlanta, going around to the nursing homes in Riverdale, Marietta, and Decatur, putting on a show down there too. And then after I accept them 304s, I gotta accept Saucy Santana coming to the nursing home, popping his Bop Tart. Oh yeah, and then after that, we have to accept the Chippendales going down there. Nah, I can't get on board with any of this, so I'm gonna just say no to all of it. And you know, the more I think about it, this could be considered elder abuse. I'm sorry, it's other ways to entertain people without being half dressed. But hey, you may think it's okay. The link is below. Check out the video for yourself and let me know what you think. Answer this question. Should nursing homes in the United States be allowed to convert into Magic City maybe once a week for the old folks? Do you think this should be acceptable? Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel too. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.